Hello, I am Jaideep Singh Lamba, student of IIHM Delhi. I am with Mr. Mohit, who is the founder of Romeo Technologies. So, sir, can you tell us about your product?
So we offer the solution for the hospitality and retail industry, and this solution is for complete digital display, digital signage, and point of sale solution, which is complete end to end. So when I say digital display, digital signage solutions, we have outdoor and indoor products. So at my back you can see this an outdoor screen, which is our premium series. It's fully waterproof, which can be fitted at the outdoor area, at the swimming pool area, garden area of the resort or a big hotel. And this screen will earn the revenue for you. So you can, our software is so affluent that if you have like 50 screens as well as digital signages, indoor as well as outdoor in the hotel, this software will manage it centrally from one station. The IT guy can manage the content. So suppose he wants to promote the spa, he wants to at some screen he wants to promote the F&B, the deals on the bar or a restaurant, he can do that. And someday when there is a India-Pakistan match, you can host it on the big screen. So that is the revenue that can be generated. It also works as the BTR boards. So BTR boards is no need of doing printouts. You can go digital and you can host it on the halls. The information will be updated from the app itself, and it's completely seamless. So you can see at the back, this is another product where the complete digital menu is there. It enhances the experience of the guest who wants to, order from the restaurant or the table. He can see, this is an interactive menu, you can see the portion size, you can see what is the calorie count, how much does it cost, and he can directly make up his mind, order from here. So it automates the process of the ordering and the experience of the guest.